Cayenne pepper works great to keep out bugs, pests, and a lot of animals from your garden, but it could take a long time to dissolve, and it also could clog your spray bottle up. So today I'm going to show you guys how we're making cayenne pepper spray with no clogging the bottle up, and that's a great way. You could do 1 gallon of water with 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. We have a spray bottle, cayenne pepper powder, we have some water, we have a spoon to mix really well. We have a cloth, we have a cup, and if you want, you could put some drops of soap inside. That's your choice. I really don't add the soap. So we're gonna average about 2 tablespoons. If you go over 3 or 4 tablespoons, it's not a big deal. It's stronger, it's better. When using this, make sure you get some kind of goggles or safety gloves, because you get this in your eyes or your hands, you gotta make sure you wash it right away. It burns really bad. Now the trick is you got to make sure you stir this really well. It's going to take a while. So we're going to go ahead and mix this up, and then we're going to take tin foil and cover it up, and we're going to leave it overnight. Let this solution sit overnight, so the water will be really strong cayenne pepper water. After your cayenne pepper has been sitting down for overnight, you want to make sure you stir it all back again. Mix it about at least for a minute. Mix it really good, right? And then, remember, gloves and stuff. Get your spray bottle. What we're going to do, we're going to put this cloth over the spray bottle like this right here. And we're going to pour it. Keep it above, and we're going to pour it right through. Maybe we'll leave a little dent like that. Alright, so we finished. I recommend, instead of using a cloth like this, I recommend to use a t-shirt. You spray it in the evening time. Do not do this during the morning or the day, because what happens during the morning or the day, the sun will burn the leaf. But the cayenne pepper will not burn your leaf or hurt your plant. Absolutely not. So we got a lot of birds been eating my pepper plants, as you can see right here. So it's the evening time. So what I will do, look at that. I will spray the leaf like that, and then we come underneath. I like to spray underneath too. So I'm going to spray all over. This will keep out, as I said, a lot of bugs and a lot of animals. Check in the description box. I'm going to leave all the bugs and types of animals, all pests, spiders, ants, birds, raccoon. And you want to do this about 2 times a week. You could do 2 times a week, and if it rains, you got to come back the next day and keep doing it. So we got a bunch of pepper there. I'm going to spray them. Listen, if this was harmful, I wouldn't be doing it to my plants. If it didn't work, I wouldn't be doing it in my garden. I wouldn't waste my time. I would not waste your time. But we got a lot of bugs. And when you're ready to eat, if you spray it on your spinach and stuff like that, when you're ready to eat, just wash it off. It wash off right away easily. That's why if it's rain, it washes off. So you got to make sure to reapply it, especially if you have, look, there's a hole right here. See that? Come in the bottom of the leaf too. And then this is it. Any bug or anything, get rid of it. So you can see my bottle did not clog. So if you mix a gallon of the cayenne pepper spray water and you have extra, what you could do is to cover it up and put it in the corner and use it back through the day. If you're going to use it till next week, you could always put it in the fridge, and before you use it, heat up a cup of water and pour it inside the hot water, and then mix up really well. Use a t-shirt, a light cotton t-shirt, over your spray bottle. You get a better flow, because the thicker cloth that I use, it took a longer time. So that's when I realized the cotton t-shirt is a lot better. So I might take one of my daughter or my kid's shirt and then do it this way. We don't have clog. Ooh, spray back. And then be careful with the wind. If you're spraying and it's windy, it could come back in your eyes. Please be careful. You have to apply this when it's not gonna rain. Say if it rains Monday, you come Tuesday and you apply. And if it rains Thursday, come back Friday and apply. So you could apply twice a week, especially if you have a lot of problem with bugs and pests and all that. It's cheap. It's easy to use. Any question, comment below. I always try to answer your question. And check in the description box. I will leave more details. And I always leave the products and stuff, so you guys could go ahead and get it. And all my links will take you straight to Amazon and stuff through my links. Alright, thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. A quick video how to make cayenne pepper without clogging up your bottle, and is the best way. I love it. It's organic. Let's keep it healthy. Let's not go and buy all this crazy chemical stuff out there. Let's keep trying. Sprinkle the powder or use the spray. All right, let's try to be, these are stuff that we eat. and we want to make sure we don't want to spray too much of chemical, because if we're growing in our backyard, might as well try the best you can to keep it organic. All right, if it's not 100%, at least let's try to keep it 80% at least. All right, thank you so much for watching Green the Garden. Please don't forget to click the red subscribe button, followed by the bell icon. Every time you do that and I upload a video, you'll get it right away, and something that might be a video you're interested in.